All right, someone shared a Google copy link. Now what? All right, so this is a copy link for my scavenger hunt, but it could be a bitmoji classroom. It could be anything in slides, in documents, okay? Anything in the Google platform, okay? So when I do this, it's going to say, would you like to make a copy of it? And yes, I would make a copy. Now, if you are not already logged into your Google account, it's going to ask you to do that first before you can even make a copy. So then when I click make a copy, now I have an entire copy of the document, okay? And I can present it, all right? If for some reason it shows up over here as view only, what you would need to do is go to File, go to Make a Copy, and make a copy of the entire presentation. So where does this show up in my drive? So let me show you what it looks like. So here I'm in my Google Drive. I did this twice, so you'll see I now have, so it's copy of here it is, the copy of Valentine's Day scavenger hunt. It's there. Okay, I have 2 copies of it because I went through this process twice. Okay, and now that means it's in my drive. I can edit it, I can share it, I can change the title of it, I can do all those things I normally would. So it's really very simple. Again, if for some reason there's a yellow bar over here that says view only, okay, then what you need to do first before you can do all that great stuff is go to make a copy of the entire presentation, and then you will be in the same situation, have full access.